From London's Royal Albert Hall, it's television's biggest night of the year. The waiting is over as we're about to reveal tonight's winners. It's the viewer's choice. Who did you choose as your favorite performers? What programs will take the honors for most gripping drama and funniest comedy? Which soap will triumph tonight? We're about to find out the answers to those questions and more on the 11th Annual National Television Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for tonight's ceremony, MacDonald, Sir Trevor MacDonald.
Yes, I'm back. And should things fall through for Daniel Craig, I'm still available. My assignment tonight is to host the 11th Annual National Television Awards, the only award show where the winners are selected by the people who know great television when they see it, the viewers. And once again, thank you. And once again, you've chosen to accept your mission to take the thousands of hours of television and hundreds of performers and to narrow them down to just 13 favorites who will grace our stage this evening. Flying in tonight are stars who've come from Australia and from the United States to share in our celebration. This year, we also have two exciting new awards. We'll find out about them later. So now to our first award, Most Popular Daytime Program. To present it,